शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपले स्वागत। सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे केआ बांठिया माध्यमिक विद्यालय व एन पालीवाला ज्युनियर कॉलेज नवीन पनवेल सादर करीत आहे शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ।
नमस्कार स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम जेके कुंभार, मैथ्स टीचर इन के बांठिया माध्यमिक विद्यालय नवीन पनवेल रायगढ़। Yesterday we have seen practice set 1.3 and now we are going to see the last theorem of this lesson, theorem of area of similar triangles. In this lesson we are seeing two theorems. First one is BPT, basic proportionality theorem, and this one theorem of area of similar triangle. Both theorems are very important for board exam. Now this is statement of theorem. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Students, we know if we read the statement of theorem, we can draw the figures with the help of statement of theorem. These are the triangles. This is figure related to this theorem. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to side BC and PS is perpendicular side QR. Now we are going to write given. How we can write given? From first half part of statement and with the help of figure we can write given. What is given here? These triangles are similar, means triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR, and AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to side QR. Then what we have to prove here? This we have to prove. This is the last half part statement of theorem, means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to the AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Here we have to write proof. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into ED upon QR into PS. You know, this is first property of ratio of area of two triangles. Don't confuse here. Here ratio of area of similar triangles and our first property will be ratio of area of any two triangles. From this property we can write here BC upon QR into AD upon PS. Now consider these two triangles, means triangle ABD and triangle PQS, these two smaller triangles. We have to prove these two smaller triangles are congruent. If triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, then angle B is congruent to angle Q and angle ADB is congruent to angle PSQ, which is 90. That means these two triangles are similar by AA test. Again see here, in triangle ABD and in triangle PQS, AB upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ. Now see here, but triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. This is third one. Then from 1 to 3, this is first statement, this is second statement, and this is our third statement. From 1 to 3 we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into AD upon PS is equal to BC upon QR into BC upon QR. Except AD upon PS we can write BC upon QR. This is conclusion here. AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ, and here AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, means except AD upon PS we can write BC upon QR. BC into BC is BC square and QR into QR is QR square. That is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. This is hence the theorem is proved here. That means the ratio of area of similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. This is theorem, hence the theorem is proved here. Now, on the basis of this theorem, we are going to see practice set 1.4. This is first example from our textbook. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3 to 5. Then find the ratio of their area. Solution: let area of triangles is A1 and A2. This is for our convenience. And sides are S1 and S2. By theorem of area of similar triangles, we see here now A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square is equal to S1 is 3 is already given here and S2 is 5. Therefore 3 square upon 5 square is equal to 9 upon 25. Therefore required ratio of area of triangles is equal to 9 to 25 is the required answer here. Now we are going to see second example from our textbook. If triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR and AB's PQ is equal to 2:3, then complete the activity. You know student, in question number 2 and question number 3, there are two activities in our board question paper and first semester and second semester also. In question number 2A, there are two activities and in question number 3A, there is one activity, same this is activity here. If triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR and AB has to PQ is equal to 2:3, then we have to complete this activity. Activity means complete these boxes, fill the empty boxes. This is activity. Area of triangle ABC is divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon empty box. We know the theorem. According to theorem, we can write here corresponding sides. AB square here, that means PQ square. Here we can write PQ square is equal to empty box upon 3 square. Here 2:3 is given. That means 3 square is here. That means we can write here 2 square. 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. These are the empty boxes. We fill these empty boxes. This is the activity we have to complete here. Now fourth example from our textbook. Triangle LMN, similar triangle PQR. 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. If QR is equal to 20, then find MN. We have to solve this equation. We have to solve this example. 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. This is given. Then take this take area of triangle LMN on this side and take 9 on this side. Means area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle LMN is equal to 16 as it is. Take 9 here, 16 upon 9. But we know from this theorem, area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle LMN is equal to QR square upon MN square by theorem. Therefore, 16 upon 9, we know here the ratio of area of triangle is 16 upon 9. This is 16 upon 9 is equal to 20 is already given. 20 square, 1 minute. Here 20 square upon mn square. By taking square root of both sides, we can find the value of mn. By taking first cube, by taking square root of both sides, that is 4 upon 3 is equal to 20 upon mn. After cross multiplication, you will get answer of mn You try to solve yourself and find answer. This is your short homework. You try to solve yourself and find answer of MN and write answer according to textbook. Students, this is the last article of this chapter. This is the last article of this chapter, similarity. After this theorem, I want to give you one test. I want to give you one test of 15 marks on this same blackboard. Student, our first chapter is completed, named as similarity. After this first chapter, we are going to see the practice test on similarity. This is for your homework. There are 6 examples are given here. These are the marks. This example carries 2 marks, this 2 marks, this one 2 marks, 3, and this one 3 marks. Means 15 marks. Practice test is already given to you. You try to solve at home. If any problem, you can ask me here. If any problem about my lecture, you can call me. You can contact me. This is my mobile number 9220 545802. Thank you.